Nice pair of Vickies over here. I'm sorry, Sunlight on Vicky. This is 55. 44,000 actual miles, power steering, power seats, power windows, Conti kit, repaint. Doesn't take very much to spot, I'll tell you. What amazes me, again, one of my main bugaboos, how come they don't replace the window moldings and such, the felts? It's a beautiful car. I really like it a lot. But I get annoyed when you sit around, oh, original, this, that, and the other thing. That's always cool. Looking at the waves and such, there isn't. It's a nice job. I like what they did. I really do.
I'm 81, so I shouldn't be doing that. I got 2 years. I'm sorry.
And there's the Vicky over here. I'm going to get on the other side. These folks are discussing stuff. There's another 54. Yep. I'm sorry, 52. Yeah, 52. Sorry. Another Sunliner. That's cool. Asking 55.5 on that one. Nice Victoria. And of course, little bumblebees. Nice looking car. And get over here just to check it out. I want to get some pricing. Manual transmission. I like it. 272, 3-speed overdrive. Power steering, very nice. 35.5, restored in 2005. Very good. Yeah, see how much we're at. Excuse me? Thank you. Just want to give you a price on this one, asking 55. An unusual bird, 63 S55 Monterey, factory 4-speed. Power breezeway. Reduced down from 24.5 to 21.5. How unusual is that? I always loved the breezeway cars. Interesting what they did on that roof with the paint. It's like, oh. That's at least a 3-body trunk, if not 4. Wow. Not thrilled with the wheel treatment, but hey, what the hey. And let's see what they're asking. Oh, yes, right, 21.5. Meh. Okay. If you're hot for one, fine. 53 wagon. Original flathead V8. This is Thursday afternoon. Prices are beginning to drop because this is it, folks. This is it for Hershey. Friday is the show. And all these cars will be gone. Herco wants their property back. Again, they put those rims on. It's like, no. Let's see what they've got in there. Nice 3-speed. Interesting work on that.
It's pretty clean. It's all cosmetic.
Mm-hmm. Asking 22,750 or best offer. Here's a 56 Lincoln convertible. 56 Lincoln convertible. You don't see 56 Lincolns around, let alone the drop top. Complete nut and bolt frame off, 368 with 285 horsepower, power steering, power brakes. Only 2,447 convertibles were built. Asking 55. Frame off restoration. Let's chew this little girl to bits. Stainless hull looks good. Come on, guys. That looks terrible. Beautifully straight job on the bodywork. Wow. That's beautiful. That is just beautiful. I like it a lot. I can't really take a shot back here. The trunk lines are excellent. But take a look at that car. What lines? Gorgeous. They did a nice job. Right here is where you usually get all the problems. Nice.
But they were early.
Very nice.
Yeah, there's one with a spring.
It's early. You get a 60, you get a 67 Cougar. And you can tell if you push the
Now there is an unusual car.
back up, it gives you any resistance.
Welcome to Hershey.